gonna be a cold one.
Oh, you ain't bullshitting, it is.
I know, right? It's one of those storms that you just say, dang, I wish I would have stocked up on all this stuff, you know, that's why.
Actually, what we're getting, we got every winter when I was your age.
Really?
Yeah. So it's child's play to me where it might be a hard winter to you. This is
Hey, are you okay, man? What's going on? What?
You see that?
Is it this one?
Oh my god.
This one?
Yeah.
This is great. This is great, dude. Holy
We used to get a lot of snow, and we used to get about a week and a half of sub-zero weather 24/7. So my standard answer when they go, oh, it's a bad winter, boo-hoo, and I look at them and go, well, what are you going to do when winter really sets in? Well, it's here. And I'm like, ain't here, man. This is child's play.
What are you
That's
gonna tell them when they say, what's that?
That's just my opinion.
Oh shit.
Somebody got to talk now.
Oh, I'm done. No.
But it's true. That's the sad thing about it. It's not being funny. We've got so spoiled that it's not even funny.
You should hear this guy's story, dude. Tell him. Tell him what you told me.
I just told him, he says, it's a cold one. I go, yeah, but I said, for me, this is child's play. I said, when I was growing up, we used to get this every winter. It didn't matter. And our winter 24/7 man would be just... But true. Bad blizzards in 78. Oh, we got very butt hydro tolling in that one. Yeah. Big time.
Oh my gosh, you just made my night. I'm gonna be caught in this snowstorm all night, and me and him are just gonna be thinking about
It's not
this.
supposed to get too bad tonight, not until tomorrow.
Sorry for throwing your stuff on the ground. Man.
As long as you pick it up, that's cool. 'Cause I know you was just having a haymaker, buddy, like this here, knee slapper. My shit. Have a good night.
You have a good night too. Oh my gosh,
He hit it right on the button.
that guy, he hit it right on the butt, didn't he? Oh man.